Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start with a safe position. Park, handbrake on, ignition off. First, inspect the FG gear knob to identify if it's threaded, clipped, or push-fit. This dictates removal technique. Once identified, use gloves and the appropriate tool, a flat blade to pry a trim clip, or the correct torque/Allen for screws. Apply steady pressure and feel for movement. Slow control prevents breaking plastic. If there's a leather cover, peel it back gently so you can see the Now focus on the mid-step, removing whatever holds the knob to the shifter. If screws are visible, turn them counterclockwise and keep them in a small container so nothing gets lost. If clips hold the knob, insert a trim tool between base and boot, then pry gently while you pull up on the knob. This simultaneous action releases clips without snapping them. Make sure you stabilize the shifter with your other hand so the assembly doesn't twist and damage linkage as you work. For final removal, pull the knob straight up while keeping even pressure so splines or threads disengage cleanly. Avoid twisting if it's a push fit. Once free, inspect and clean the contact surfaces. Light grease on threads prevents future seizing. If the knob resists, apply a penetrating spray around the base. Let it soak for a few minutes, then rock the knob back and forth while pulling up. If clips break, replace them. That single part often fixes fit and prevents rattles.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.